That is 3 million.
Data for Wi-Fi. Usually it's 300 cedis na yede. Me to 300 goods so afa me yes me be your connection na yes not enough funds. Na me say
o to
300 na ma to sesi e
30 cedis asem na o kan
300 cedis not enough funds e dia asema almost say me credit me check me credit ni bioma yes 260 Ghana
40
me can be bia me ni abema nti I had to buy extra 40 cedis. Sa 40 cedis na so a me to ye kre no so almost sante almost sante 40 cedis no so Niema enefuo ni eto ne sen His Excellency John Dramani Mahama efiso no ni enimfuo price ene yeto ne sen light bill nana do ka che say oni Dr. Baomi omo ka che say omo ba omo beti so drastically ende ya to light bill mu ya to ensuo mu. All these things affect the general well-being of the Ghanaian. And he say, "Onwa Ghana ni no hwe na brabo mu tamana His Excellency John Dramani woso. Eni ende ananado woso. O say yembo senku emfambo ni din say wayade na. Say Ghana fo ayedin na Ghana one thing I've learned say Ghana fo no say wo ya ade no mo ka cho say jai na che so mo pe wa sempa ba so mo hwe udin na wo ye ko a na che se ni timu no wa fa ne plans se me to me credit ma fa me plans enya me kwa na me to credit obi nso to ono nso to a and 3 days obi send me so say any time I buy credit I look at my voters ID. Hey
baby akodu no
so to credit bia o hwe ni voters ID.
Doctor we the campaign na share tempa. Wow.
E just a man for give it up. Why ya na adwin say on kasa obe endure intimidate
me talk credit me kwa baby am voters ID.
Hwehwe baby eda me she Ghana phone cry say omunya abotre. There's one gentleman ono de nyame adom ontwa ntro okasa obeye he's a man of vision. Enemremu ye man ya wo mu mente da say yetimi ka say president bi aba ono de obaye no obema electricity ebro so enso ene ye bod John Mahama so bo say wa ma ye too much electricity. That is one of the charges MPP at the board His Excellency John Dramani Mahama say electricity
the argument is that utua excess power unyusu fa nyehwe
aba enye omo an omo say no omo ton no enye omo say they are exporting power to other countries no is that not bringing us income? Enfa income bro o man no enfa income bro o man no enti no omo hu so hu di omo hu so
aban hu so no the free SHS aba ene o ya akwan.
What are we talking about? Free SHS. Look at
Dr. Nyabutu na be so omo ya manyo sem etimi bie ye ni kakra na afi yesu ye omo emu for no so dia.
Look at issues of His Excellency John Dramani Mahama ewo ho no wanka say in fact John Mahama can say free SHS no is a bad thing. NDC has not said free SHS is a bad thing. In fact he started it. His Excellency John Dramani Mahama.
That was a gradual one.
Yeah, and that is what the Constitution says. Serve obianko bia ye ken. Oh, mini mebi no ma omo start so omo ko school yi. Sidi kro omo ntua school fees sidi da. Omo fees e wo dollar, omo fees e wo euro, omo fees e wo pounds. Sa no mu tua omo fees. Na sa nipa na onu tua pounds ne dollar ne euro no. Ene oni mi kro mu fo ye frɛ mi kro ba ku bi ye frɛ ho Twento. Twento. Ai. E wo fanti akwa South constituency.
Doc.
Internet ni ho. Internet ni ho. Light me patcho munko be hu. People a obefo ansa na waduru ho no. Na akwala na owo Twento no. Ono no ntua dollar da. Ontua cedi da. Osi oni de ono no ne ma mi tua dollar. Any cedi no euro no. Omunko school free. Now one mom 3 months omo traffic light secondary school. No ono na ne ma mi tua dollar ma no wa saving ni sika. Sa kwala ni wie sa 3 months no oba na yakoma no extra classes. Na me ba no wo Twento no. no owia na ne ho che no nti sa free SHS na wo ma no. Are we talking about equality or are we talking about equity? What are we talking about? Enkwala no ebi mu wo ho a omo mame no betimi atua, and that is what the NDC stood for. Say gradually no yenye no enkakra. So we started with your friend is saying day schools no. As a oko day school nyame adom His Excellency John Mahama ACC bebre as a wo kwa utua hwe day school na wo kɔ nti na ye ne nkakra se na ebe ya ebeduru mmebi no na afa ye the boarding no so aba abeka ho. And then look at the congestion in the schools. Almost 30 years TDC wo Kumase school be cast ankwala no konya yareɛ kumaka ankwala no konya yareɛ hwɛ de course wo Upper East ankwala no mo de omo body kyerɛkyerɛ a no kra ya sanko pamo headmaster say die nti no ama ye national organizer aba school mu ho aba be show the plight of ankwala na ɛwɔ hɔ no. I think that everything, yes, Bible say ye wo ne me nyina ho kwan enso enye ni nyina na fata ye betimi aye bibia, but I was say making sure ade na ye no omo a ye pese ade ne benefit omo no benefit omo ye free SHS. Yes, aba nkwala ni go school come on, but obre no omo go through no. That is not what the free SHS no is supposed to do to them. Free SHS no e was say etimi mom omo ho to omo e was akwala no ko class a onya peace of mind or this sua ade. But when no kwa 3 months so yon san ko tene fie 3 months ansa waba ye nyina omo ye san ka ye menya sure say ye nyina ye bedu ba bia ya bedu yo.
I see. So as Deputy National Women's Organizer ma NDC Amanyuko yake education was me on this comprehensive sexuality education and then also what study from then one then onim then what ya fa ho
omahene media mekane say Nanado His Excellency we disappoint Ghana for. We disappointed Ghana for big time. Because on my way monosania mano. Just say we don't want to even hear it. Yempesi abeti san komono cry. Na to the extent that me issue cry me omo wone say omunti mi emba out en kano kre en chre Ghana for. Ene minister say Echina minister asanse sana no ene Nanado say ene Baumia say, you know, they are not being truthful to Ghanaians, and I think it is a very bad thing. President Ontimin Kano Krenchre Ghana for there, I don't think that he deserves another term as president of the Republic of Ghana.
I see.
Based on this alone, I'm sure say Ghana for be cry for mo ho adwen da say 2020 omo tu aba ama John Dramani Mahama, because your time ne ba ye no ye bold e kan say omonfo musika as we speak sika no makwa akọji dada 22 million omakwa akọji dada enti say ye be ka kire ye say e na nya ade omo ba be ya. What I want to tell Ghanaians ni say the assurance I want to give them ni say Nanado His Excellency esan be ye president of the Republic of Ghana 2021 CSE no obe implement.
Hey,
I'm telling you na sika no akọji no onye we this sika no onye uti he ye ma carry forward omahene uti he ye ma carry forward o salary
Dr. Eddie Bravo
o salary ye ma carry forward na uji sika no na udi wi a waji next month sika no nya adwuma nti ube ye adwuma nti sika no makoji and sika no makoji ye no assurance omo ma Sweden for ne say omo be make sure say there will not be any public outcry outcry ni nyina they will manage it and make sure say Ghana for be gi atum na ya kire CSE no.
It you this
2021 almost 2 abama Nanado no san be president. I can assure them that academic year CSE ne be san about 4 years for ye be chrom.
I see. You should say Honorable Nana here Kwansa MP Gomwa Central Deputy Minister Lands and Natural Resources Baba Kansa Dr. Ochre Benjamin Chief Executive you will call the Padre Chief Manager Jason Semache wako Benjamin way Dr. Kwaba no was saying but was Mami Kasana was Chief Manager mami Chelsea chief and Chelsea. Deputy National Organizer NDC Tinase man. And because Tinase na na obi anka say obeka say Tinase. Doc.
Na me net yo.
Asa na otiodi.
Bomba ototo. Eni me mu different.
I see. Chief, na bibia eboko.
Yakubu na do na on pa.
Bibia na mnekwazo. Doctors mo nkase mo wi na no so the summary ni beba.
I mean the anope me pa we free do na.
Yeah. Deputy. Awoko bedwam. And you teach a deputy one as well for Hachiano.
As a deputy national organizer, move organizer, baby, out them head is safer.
Okay. Because of environment, you know.
Exactly.
Or is it safe?
Next time,
full dose. I don't want any violent approach. Obama,
Yanko called you, man.
It is a bahano pay.
Okay, but what Casa say you guys are ready for 2020. Say Bibia Chesemudia Mudi Kunim.
Kwabna, I'm a five free doing chair on a waiting. Na mincha dog because munache. Campaign Hawaii no your
campaign me amount.
He believes in me.
Yeah.
Iwi cancel do. Yeah, iwi na ye mu
ntimanka.
E can order normal bill.
Emetia. Kwabna, you see NDC MPP Ghana Faso ya we hu. Isu ni wait and answer wait. Senta ameka chiro nyi de Nanado Danko Akufo-Addo Ghana nyimapa. Or by election. And na Ghana fo John Dramani Mahama ni dwuma oye nyina odi tu NDC. Odi NDC enyim nyina no Ghana fo se dabi. Papa wa ba na nsem okeka no. Ohwa akọkire de na dwuma ye obotum ayen. Oye better say ma wote gwani me ye. Iti Ghana fo to chacha kese pa. Senti nyi de nyimpa na oye adwuma no wonyim ni dwuma mezi moto. Kwabna ite ni. Papa no yi akwan. Papa no si hospital. Papa no si school adan. Papa no di nyuma reba. Hwe friend ma otwa mnsum kura nyi center ICT center ya ogbe ni wo sekiri ya. Nyimpa dodo sebi wotwa hunhye ndem nyoka ze munu ayesra fans ano deje. Demidwuma nyina kodo okoye commander sugar factory one free na wotutu won dem nyina wakatena ho. Ena wo bode huru magana fotido sana mankrofo kan onye do yes scam. Sebakaya. Adum we offer
Jasusem
Timiara.
Jim FM.
You smart na no otigwen. Ena menyu kase na Nanado Danko Akufo-Addo wa shebo wa kansem de kwabna nsema wa kan. Ye motia na wa habem na poi wa babafie. Nsema na fie ye de. Nsema na Nanado Danko Akufo-Addo digu akwem. Na Oba power the 100 days and some about me about can cry a desk and another. Not just some daddy won't find the agro. Quabranda, you can say. Check in Nashe. A bosh and now or the share Madaminti obituary Juma do ye Jumana was dappy. For Jumana to honor Papa Mbaso or do not yet more count. Jumana would journey now. I'm now since I home. Share in the Kwafu 1 minute. Apart from the one cocoa case in a walk-on, one queen and you know, you come from a cocoa growing area. I wouldn't even dance for. And then you can say, what's a way if you shim? Quabla. Then you go for bus as you do in room, no diffia. Yakupo Nakaso bus as you do obey or diffia. And now you can say, a queen in us since I hope. Jim FM. Wa ha me hu asem osi Independence Square. Ana kwabre wala atini mpenyisam da. Entini mpenyisam da. Nyina nyi de wankasa wakafa free SHS whether Abama John Dramani Mahama want to know to the it has come to stay. Ozande asam ne di oyada obotu mu abo he manfo. nanso ode ehwe ne review ndema obotum ama oto whatever na ebinum ntase ebinum betire free da was ojo ma ama wakasa na tena chedo obotwem no na yeji yenyi dudano. That is not the issue. But the issue nyi there Nana do Danko Akufo-Addo yenuanom a wo soro up north Alhaji Dr. Bawumia nka na okoho a obegina kwando na obo no man fans inde opo ifinika no suru po anyimpa ma
Dr. Bawumia.
Yes, because ejuma woye wo hododo na anyi na woye ko ejuma ananyim ebinu woye moa amna wo hye hombo was a one village one dam miracle not mudu baby na mi gina na mi bisa nkrofo na dam no won sa kan waza also da bi but wo yisum there aba no be there obaba be yeta ma hwe no for ni nsu tina oyirpa hamatan papa kwabna be ko na ni mo ayde cake cracks abem why dry nchati ma make na nsu tina oyiro nanti say e dey firike titi fom na e pomp nzuguma oni dey say hamatan no bo be there Kano kwari fancha ye ho na ya we kasa was alternative nyi de ye adwuma na ba kansam de na watu nsam nwin entinu ye bebi saga na fu na wopemo ye nwin anade na wopemo wate ho se wopemo ye nwin anade wopemo wate ho na wadwuma ye ntira no nye wadwuma ye no mobi baka nka me bi so da azo ye nwin na azo ye de wo ho apemo ya kwabra ka befa mo ye de obi enyi ho da ho a wugu nenum obeyi na wakonu nkuni abai wada nkuni tonic
MPP.
I'm telling you kwabra ndema mo ye title
Na sa ne mani mo ye title a mo kano a na nipa bi ni peso mo tiase e mo ye title na se
na wala nkasa wato de before nyimpa nyina beta ase na wala wato de wankasa Nyankopon hwe nyame nyim na kano kwa wato de
che mera emu odin de da so da yenimu. It's not necessarily an administration de beba.
Me mpede be prophet a mera on be baka ho asem me bi so de mayetimi wato de so to because more than him it honestly more to be an yen to me who makes more bay na mom say be hye yen bo abna na memo shu na say ba na ba manyimpa no mpobo afa onye de shu so chalote no kra na atu we bi na. I don't think you want to tell me that manyimpa no ntra wona mo nkasa who a wodigwa and I know they also digwa. But I know your dollar ni mu kema mo ye din na ibo tugwa mo bi hu de say na you a businessman. Meeting na kai it's expensive. I'm a businessman. Dollar is running. I'm say do or share burger. And you take a grand soon then go to the market and check. Mo ye ya so nyi de wo baka cho do nya boter ebia nzema mo ye din ti ye toto then you know. But also dabi. Vice President also watch dollar. More the key now masiadi IGP ma dollar need that sell in the psychiatric dollar no jina ho no keke mo abodam
Ghana cedi to the dollar
Jim FM
dollar na bodam mentally so ni monye.
wow.
You cannot arrest the dollar osane dollar na kasa adwino dan timu no wase inti so ni mo ba gino. Onya dey able to persuade in this slow. No. And that is what we are facing as a country. And say enka anke kansam nyina po ne yekodru a ye bata ase. Na mo ye okra nyi da ye kan so no so won kansam mi afa che koka was when John Mahama was there.
But that's the comparison.
Now, when you get up in the morning, it's so I do who enyim kosora na de bafo. Say so I who enyim de bafo because e pede wenyim tso. Say that the fasura na che dey confuse wenyim while am person pede wenyim no
original
John Dramani Mahama ri adwuma and na was there be adwuma no ye onya to oboboa enti wonyini fi ho no fambra kwabna ye twapo kokko na ye duri fifin o na Ghana for what was because also ye Ghana ebe na sendama na sanechira obi sawa eso na John Nalakra na abade no ye awa bredo why Chagana for John Njuma ni di anka wato mo mebe ya because of unsa meken waji wodi ji enti kwabra 2020 no mesima endama record ye boko back to President Kufuor say na say why senior citizen at America na even though survey other man MPP as o man penyin no ye boko President Kufuor na no so ya ka che na openyin ayo penyin ahwe o man ya de for wuchira man na hwa sitimu na photo aban fadam information fashi kutuku no ne yete kofo
hey baby ari akodo
ye hwehwe ni mu hwa sitimu na photo aban oya President Kufuor ne right owo hu nti ye pedo bi ba di ye boko court the agent kan ya asra ni ntem na ya je hwa sitimu na photo aban simple matter no be said our policy we here
o policy show at name
onu ye 2016 policies no go ho ni nyina no uja fokade omu o kan sam no troka
ba na o kasa sa o constituency a village to a constituency a factory to a constituency or one
major introduce you as a national organizer and you constituency go tina mko
but you admit that a war
200 and how many district over 240. I was at a confi with you. President Itra saw them. Maka wasama na one starting program about way freedom baka wasa. And then as you be some who question on Facebook, maka chende send there. O man penis there obana baba commission project na. Of Fremu Mogobi. At America. But as a national officer, Ghana handsome nyina constituencies district nyina wo hia man krofo wo bi se mu asam do rekoden wa ban me se me better na make cho de Ekufi project no wo ye enti no one district one factory no we deliver na che de meet you. But if you should ask me about Ekufi mesi mo rekodo na mo obeya I will tell you hwe ye me that through how and I am Bebo games were Chachano is over or ended 2016. The Chachano ended at 2016. How long Bob Marley also obeyed them with the how long all the time? No. And in bringing it, the time is now. And to John Dramani Mahama Okade or head of Baba. And now Mazumisha from him. But I'm telling you today as an elder. The John Dramani Mahama ne come back and more prophetic.
Prophetic.
Yes. It has never happened in the history of Ghana. The Oman Penyibi Wakwa to Abam wedding kuku no wasababi. It be sida. Now we don't honor our leaders as Oman. We don't honor our leaders. Now the prophetic in being the John Dramani Mahama Obasan Wababetse Guanado, but he will not behave there. Mama paying for our best in Kon. Sebi went to Mwehu. In spite of some there one in our nature, on order of my former president and father not Baman. My baby and Kruma will be a Ninuachi. Nagana Yama time.
I see. Chief Baini, Deputy National Organizer for the NDC.
You are a prophet. I don't believe prophetic submission.
Yes.
Remove political lens only to non-share Yehua. Now you now often read in between the lines. Now on who there Onyano there. Yeah, signboard chop our head.
No signboard.
See signboard. Ebona Grofu Peak, one who said, and I don't know what's Antama Yedi Bambi. Yes.
Antimuniwachi. No signboard.
Thank you. Signboard is Laboni, full stop.
Yeah, that's it. I heard Mr. Deputy Minister, Lands and Natural Resources. Bebabeka is Nana Eya Kwansa Bebabeka. But Doc, Dr. Ochiri, look at the Suba and say, well, private business. We, apart from being a lecturer, while private business is very relevant because if you hold on your hospitals, hold on your offices near Monte, so no idea. warehouse and you know quickly just on that and for number to the opposite pam what is it our warning yabapon okay now to me picky okay good you didn't come out just on the surface what did the chief buying that kind what did the new Barbie girls work
my mentia my brother Darlington Osafo Ejekum
okay New Jersey
no what is my brother bia homachino sorry
yeah otie yeah
of I am chia no pay I mean come na Chibani was otwamu mponi o o ga chia yo
Chibani twamu no
otwamu mpono no I said what programming na dima ya mini akoto ano e ba Mahine mini anu makabi say ahokyere wo man mu o makeka nsem pii na me my campaign say ebedu mre bi nanka niema bi o ha yi to nchen politics there wo ye den ye dumi nyai politics but there are some national issues and yi politics huma anke be wo yi na na o manka sanso nya o madin so be yi afim nti o mbekọ so aya bibi ti say fuel prices so what in China we can edu say ye ditumi na sha onsa afi no ma se so ma no wanga sa we say different na it's because most of the finance ministers almost say when easy to make money most if not all because they and fuel they are better nti esan say e no ego kakra no na ye de shishem sa na ma ye ho kire na sabi meti hai say fuel bo akosoro it will not matter which party you belong obeto o to so e be how e afeto ti se first na me top 400 na this year me top 470 cedis e ha me nti minyaya anka e wo
so beti
minyaya anka light bill e so beti na ye nyina ye ho ahare na e kodu ba bi say we digi sei na we ye sei no e na e ha me kakra so nti edu ba bi a yen hwe how we can discuss it dispassionately say one district one factory me twen say me krum e be ba be ye bi wo ho say factory wo ho a na nkofo be nya adwuma ye na ye nyina ye ho ahare ye kakra nti Chibani krum so minim ho pa ekunfi say nyame ya adom na factory ni ba ye nyina be be
omawie
oh then I'm not aware
omawie
into my starting
omawie o ma shase mo ye ho
say 275 ni to me year 200 factories oh osambo kwame nkrumadin
yeah
no one link nkrumadin no boy into how many factories na nkruma asana ofiri akonya so ofi ye no oman asoman ni to me year ya an say ye take diversity implementation committee beton ye so I don't need to me the year ni nkruma de bai enti say ye ya dwene say hwe Ghana na dollar na say utility prices are cost it's about the dollar no 77 nyame ma me na control dollar na e be den na dollar en cost because we are not producing bibia ye kra na the more wo kra no what did na e kokra what the dollar na e kokra nti as long as yenya ya dwen say e be produce na e be kra na de na dollar nta bia be cost nti as o man what conscious effort say China ka say on kra we no abe na de Nigeria ye nuanu aka say emu omonkra Ghana wo de check sika dudu wa de kra emu in a year nti eni asase wo man mu betu dua emu ebe so yedi and that is one of the admirations I've had for Kosindum okon hotel or say Ghana local food si enya sa adwen sa concept ni ese be defend na ye mo bia amfa akokoma kwabna da kuno onye nkoko amfa nko yamwa because sikana yede ko no ye kra toothpick mahina media umakurase onso uko ukrum na bamboo is a nuisance to us pampro then ye tumi kra ade a edi yesima edi pampura ye wabra ebusu enti ye tumi nya nipa ba ko ana aban bi mekase onde wanya hwe kura no onye factory ade ye sa de ye tumi nya bi adita enti ye be koso ma ye ho akire ya most of our problems ya na ye koso ye yankasa because na okofa bibia ya Ghana na so pa de yankasa kura se bu ye ho abo
yempe yankasa
de yempe mu aye no a ehwiam nutritionist so aka kire se ahoden kura papa bia nhye dani e no ne yepe obi ba na wudi local rice was wudi to jimi edi ade atoso no
yankasa emu no
yankasa de ne yempe e no so na nkaye papa enti our taste for foreign goods eno edi enya emwaye na yenye ya adwene so se oman no will go into production enti da bia ye bekra se NDC o MPP o mo ba on bekra na wo kra so ya ene dollar ne bekoso na dollar ye e bekoso enti me makotua electricity a e wosora na je se oni ye ni niye enti ye nyina asoman no ye nhyase ye nwene ho National Development Planning Commission Sanka oman ye betun ya say this is the direction, this is the way we want to go. Until it does not matter who becomes president or whoever is in charge. Yenye bibi ebe guide ye nyina say the next 10-15 years oman Ghana no this is how we want to go. Si yebe nye mwa yebe dua nuane a champion no buy no say grow what you eat what you grow. Now the records also show say that is a year oman no ye di ye pa. I don't think to mean they say will be a fee. That mean Adenta MCA dinkom also my new policy be or say. His answer never my building permit. As I would say, Ufie no, if you nim ube dua back home, na if you na cheese would be back home. First, Nanko be a fee mango, bibi or what? But beer is here in the pavement house. Contomere nka wo fa ofitira what do na enye niwu say Ghana ha. Hwe asase e da hwe kap go sukwan so hwe afran place na yetumi kra je na fi Burkina ntie enye niwu Burkina e desert e hon ye kra duane bedi we are not ready yenye ya adwene say o man ye pese etumpon na nyame ye wadom mo akoba bia e fe no me ko yi o ba bia se bompie so e watakwa area we bia ye glass factory bompie so ko hwe machines pa aka nwuram aka nwuram na ho na ne glass nkruma na dwino na nka oye glass na me yesa de bia kwa other countries akoton aka nwuram adenta but ya ne ye ho abro ye nya ya dwene asoman se ebetumpon na nka nyamia dumara kwa bibia ye hia bia ye nya bi adimdefo okruma pa bibia what don't we have so krono akwaduro ena ma ye ho kire krono akwaduro na se ya anse saye niema he na si e besa betena kan sa asem ya office Ghana nko na nsuo to afi pen mate se nsuo ato a enya mfa obi a flood ne mfa obi a Ghana nsuo to pe ne yem sisi adentra ye nya ya dwene se e be ma niema atoto ne kwam na nka nsuo to a ye nya so mfa so
je ayam sisi ne bre
aye de nsuo to na nka o se ye ni gi se weda no kra be papa no na ye yem sisi nsuo to yi bibi be say adentra Ghana kwa na nsuo to ye here national reorientation o see nya adwene foforo say o man no I love this song o say so man be yi afri me ne wo no bi na fi ba bi ba be ha yi o ni o baba wa na say o me be boa me bob ono so niam o onim nia o pe nti na o pe say o de no ben Ghana oil e to na he na ba yen sem gold a ye 250 me try de oboase o hwe oboase kuro nse na esi agija hwe akwatia bibia awaso ye 2 bosite awaso nye ne wo ko hwe awaso kuro nse na esi ti esi ya de be ko nyina hini ye de akwatia bibia ye obia eno ansa abrofo no be sisa kosa eden ye ehise ebe ne de tu aka se bibi we ebe kompa dodo sei entra oman mu den ye see because Ghana One Touch had every opportunity to succeed. Company ni yarane ne say and Space Moon Areba Abeka MTN or take over more than 50% of the population use telecom services. Obama to One Touch Okruma. How did we run railways ejuma ekwan ye fa so ye wo sha se a wo nwie na Kenya Airways, Ethiopian Airlines, Ghana Airways in Akaba Copa, yeah, Choba. It is airport one.
DC10.
Yeah, the Choba. Okay, say choba restaurant choba me dey fan say mint prof choba adwene ben pa na dey trim say bibi because Ghana Telecom ya na say enye no
obi abefa
ya na say na eko enye nipa na ye adwuma the same people they be so Ghanaians eye obi broni de ya obi de obeye ne yie aban de ya ntwenase tina ye bre no nti ye hia adwensa kira we must have a new orientation say o man be ye ya yankasa na sese ya kekere ye nyiri ho nya adwumaden akwadworo no doso edu ahomache pa 4 o'clock hu emma bi ahomache asori ekoton niema okrom ni ade a o say ebi mu ayo maje so mbeboa ebi mu nso o de hwe nia ekoso na nsen obi tumi sori anopa one ne man nan enum o makotena ho eseresere ade Asia kakra. Is everywhere. Ajinsem. Na you move forward because yet Kromana yet to my man go for other countries ebe ya stop them. Where then Ghana ni ya stop no. It's a security threat.
From other countries.
Yes. Omugusu no more want to point one pam. Where then na ukro because no tifie da bia otwon say ngofo yi na titu agigi ska da bia omdidi. E dey na me dem trafie me so mekwa koye bi. Achimota overhead sa odo near collar pass agwa bi usane from no akwana gina almost 4 years ni nsa eye adwuma ne na ye onye yarefo da bia no pa ho no be gina o pa cha no pa fa o be hu no o sorry no pa no adware no address o be gina o be seriska eno achi bibisa nse masa na nko pa adwuma nye o se emepe bi onye na because near ogige no onye ska o do be ko compare obi kro ye adwuma gas me kra am better off. So sometimes you ask yourself, is there a punishment even to work in Ghana? Yen to me our transport. Yen to me for the next 2-3 years. Yen fancy and needs to say you best solve a transport problem. Yamina ya dum keke and they move to me what ya fedia you use. Now obi me say it's a punishment. Say I also could do a jumum 8 I just 50 and 5 o'clock.
Yeah.
How do you even rest?
5 require depends on where you live.
Where you live. But you had the traffic in 3 hours. Because your program of Cape Coast, now me lecture or hand past 7. Let me say, me simuntem 4 o'clock. Me late.
Wow.
Me sim 4 a.m. Me sorry time, me na me dware time me answer me sim. Me late. Kaswa kwan so. Last week me te say opani asamwa boate ka say or koni krom or kono hu say traffic no na wakọ hwe contractor no. Nti se nya ono na okọ ni kroma obia nipa fufuro bia nipa titru bia mfa kwan no so. Why do we do this to ourselves? Say baby o say you overhead cry yenye. Nipa twakom it's unheard of. Ghana penny to me ye kwan 3 months na tutu.
Nobody's held responsible.
Meanwhile, you will be a friend resident engineer. Edina dekeke. Resident engineer. Oba no she suit. Oba be Cambro for kese Kofi Annan kontra bruchiri well over 40 years. Oba no kasa yeti.
Ghana kasa.
O kasa na yeti. Magana ni nuyan kontra America. 2 months omra. O kasa be kasa nyo no. Chinese engineer ofa na dwuma mo hye shots o gina ho na ye adwuma no. Aduane obedi kura ho ye ne din. Onko. Na ndi tu adwuma nim pa. Fagana ni. Ese oba brofo akese na obeka. Na kwabenani atumi ase o certified was saying adwuma na awie yentu aka enso na adwuma na anya niye. Na sabi omanpanini can he be everywhere? The minister cannot be everywhere. Nti ye oman man na yetim no ye suman to say ye boa mo man na ye. Sometimes it feels sad. Okay,
so Abi Yebekwa could try one by a bar. I'm sure say message and come on say with you, bra. Oh boy with any sex for greats in seminar. Akwe bibi or Yakwaba.
Get a new life, make your body go happy. Vital mineral water makes your body so happy. Vital mineral water, new life for every day. Vital mineral water, vital mineral water.
Medokwame, makume mutafi. Vemena. Ene dio wa boy mama na sweni. Jivaita milki fa juju wakuma.
Oh medofopa. Uni makuma swadie medase.
Ene cheers eh.
Ene cheers. Vitamilk AM moton.
Missy, uno mana umwacho save
Na esama wo apomuden.
Na what can you say? Apomudi more ding.
Owudim brebi, kanwa kuma swade na menyama.
Okay. Me Brazilian hair, Peruvian nails, eyeshadow and lashes, heels and sneakers.
Hey, Madam Oliver Twist, always asking for more.
For me to hear.
Vitamilk, Driani Ankasa.
Driani Ankasa.
This advertisement has been vetted and approved by the FDA.
Our mommy always wants us to be strong.
She wants us to have enough energy to start the day. Yay!
That's why I give them the richer and creamier Cadbury Rich Choco every day.
And we love it! Yay!
Enjoy your deliciously rich and creamy Rich Choco, made from the finest Ghanaian cocoa, milk, and sugar.
Yummy!
Rich Choco, made from the finest Ghanaian cocoa.
This advertisement has been vetted and approved by the FDA.
Na kwenya owo ho a yeze buapo ye ho ma yenda ache onye de rema wo ba ahye kindergarten ase abra wezi mfia nan pepepe eyezi montwentwen wo na ase eho biara nyim ma yentwa abofra biara ncha ma wa abofra hye kindergarten ase abra wezi mfia nan ama wenya da achepa na eho na wonda so hye ase
ma yentwa abofra biara ncha fa wo ba wenya mfia nan ana abofra ba wo ni pebie musin togi ko kindergarten sisi a no wonya da achepa Nkai boy, when I was a boy, Ministry of Education, Ghana Education Service. Now I'm for UNICEF, na USAID kaho.
Enna bluebird no tuko riem a eye blue fe no mu na okwechire ton. Anne blue.
Emra yese no wo mo frahwe mu enye mreketwa sesei wo betumi de mre ahye won edidie mo nso hwehwe Cerelac fofra Iron Plus wo mo a eboa ma mo franyini ntem Nestle Cerelac big nutrition for small tummies
Enkratwe FDA for agiatum
and must get set ready go
Ago Ghana mambi achomi kwashi agbene mo fe mo chomi papa Absa ehwenyo jinfi okupe ni wo chake mo kenya Absa baye mu hewo minta o magbanye boni Absa kune baye abo anye shinremni akemeni yo wojawa Absa ba ha boni ashipa mo he kra yo digital poku eno ni wo je ni shishi omupu agbene wasa wo internet ke mobile apps ni aketun osikato he ni bi ejogban boni afe ni osikato he ni tumo ni ashipa mo afe mi se abo won pe Bukemba Absa Group Limited Absa wo ke mi se nsomo ye Ghana ake Barclays
A pre-boarding announcement for MTN Pulse and Chill Flight 567 to Dubai. Keep browsing and talking with your MTN Pulse bundle to stand the chance of winning an all-expense paid trip to Dubai. You can also win Bose headsets, 4G devices, and more from now to 30th November. Send check to 567 or use the MTN Pulse app to check your points today. We'll see you in Dubai.
MTN Pulse. Just be. Terms and conditions apply. We're there for you everywhere you go.
Our mommy always wants us to be strong.
She wants us to have enough energy to start the day. Yay!
That's why I give them the richer and creamier Cadbury Rich Choco every day.
And we love it! Yay!
Enjoy your deliciously rich and creamy Rich Choco, made from the finest Ghanaian cocoa, milk, and sugar.
Yummy!
Rich Choco, made from the finest Ghanaian cocoa.
This advertisement has been vetted and approved by the FDA.
Well, Yasaba back, and I'm going to see a 12 common one say. Mamma Cosun Kai Bishop, you also answer, and I would that. So I know I see the refuge one Mekano. Bishop, happy birthday.
Mamma wish Bishop happy birthday. Bishop Yausa.
So what should I do before you now?
Somebody must send in a message. Also,
Bishop, I didn't do before Anna Philip Sebus, Obi, was an hour with that.
Obi, I said I share ungodly time. Ghana time, we say Obi na in time also around your around 11:30, 12.
So we say Ghana it be more time back
around
yes share time maybe 10:30 maybe yes share time
member.
Okay, of course you have to be back. Abi entiamra so semi abe who ka crisis sex for great day sa the madu dona kasa mema do dona kasa acheche fon so kasa ofo kasa asofo kasa ekoku ahodo so kasa yen kapi as oba sa nkomo we eto sen
yo medase emi se we de enye de edi kan ni ade a ye nyina se ye beka ye ho no kra ye nim se ekoso and enye Ghana hanko ampo nso na ekoso okwa bruchire ba bia ene me sure say BBC 4 omo beka so omo ko even Harvard so omo ko akoyesa research yi bi wo ho no ma ombenya lectures and professors wo ho a omo nso omo eyesa ade ni bi. It doesn't mean say adepa e was say your professors ne your lectures no omoye but ebi mu krampo wo ho a obehu no na oba na kra na ede ne ho ko because bia ono feel say eno ena ebe ma na etimi anya first class ana say no ena ebe timi anya ni ama na anya ni grades obetena se no obesua ade no ontena se nye o feel say lecture we die unya ne ho kwan a njono so na wakwa akoye ne sa but I don't think say ade a e was say yesoso diaba no me I think say initial step at university no atake no say omo interdict is there an interdiction or a suspect okay on my interdictium whilst they do omo investigation I think say it's in order and mate say Professor Jambo Krase waji atum the interdiction which means that why you willing say whatever processor omo person omo de ne famu no omo ede ne befemu. What I will only say is say you make sure say the process will be fair because matete say you say ebi mo say ai na tamana wo mo wo school no and oye say afi na ebi mo de omo stories bani ade and all that. You see when things like this happen na say you start to see yes sir obi kra wo ha ensi sa and so say yengu nani ma say bi owo school no kra no papa na ye ni bibia ma na ye ne ya nti ode be fa so no abeka say me kra mi wo school no na me nso obeka che me so opem obe ye say and well oba me side say there I thought that in the case of obi to say Professor Jampo no abara no nya ni student she was perceived to be student from another school and odo there ebia na yampa se prof no pen
okay
what you say ebia na yampa se no pen because ye omo ma share video no I think that they said say me share video no but what I've heard they say yes no say obeware no as to whether and can the be pene ama na ware second wife there let me say
ye normal enumdwa
ebia ye normal enumdwa nso enti no ebia nso a na open no to the extent that we are shopping nyina ama ne there what I say nti no I feel say yema fairness embremu say yes set up a committee na omo I go through the process and make sure say the right things are done mama yentie one side we should listen to everybody and make sure say the right thing is done but what baffles me in all this, and they say, my colleagues ni be can say, you know, if this had happened in England, we are sure say media houses, any journalist, and even BBC, and I say even the government, and as be in power, be taking it up like this, and it's time sometimes we tell them to their faces that these things happen everywhere. I had to say, and maybe a tremu, BBC for be reports be what have can say, Ghana ma, yene sugar daddies da, and sayeti ya rent near dear. These things happen also outside the country. Okwa Brocha is even worse than Ghana, because omo krana, omo bills, doors when say ya Ghana ha. Ghana ade ukita be 8,000 9,000 ubenya baby atna. But abroche sometimes you need sometimes you can only a month you need about 500 pounds 1,000 pounds and so when your baby atna na sa nipa no onye adwuma obede nya nti ono so feel say be maybe na betimi aya mana oni be man be kwa akoye de one ne be. These things don't happen just in Africa and I say Ghana. Enti no omo ba no omo be ye omo ho te say holier than thou no omo yes anie mana. Eni say sometimes we have to be bold. Ni etimi kesi omo anim say de mo ye no yes, slave days na etwam. This is another form of slavery. One sha yet one no ma be ka say kra because of the way near my course universities na kra no they are substandard because grace na ye dey ba out no enye papa because nkwala no omni lectures ni professors na da ansa na omanya grace no. I won't be surprised if they come out to tell us some of these things, you know, and yeah more universities, you know. Ghana and I say yen school near there. And I think that we should be bold to sometimes tell them to the face, yes, and ye Ghana nkwana esida. Enye Ghana nkwana esida no. Ye betimi asolve your problem. You bet me solve your problem. And for us to tell them, say, we would be able to solve our problems. It would depend on how the committee, any whoever is handling this issue, how me handle issue, na a good closure. See, it's me man a very good closure. Then we've told them that look, we can handle our issues, and this is not the only place such issues. I had to say
generally,
well, I've been a student before, you know, and I'm still a student. Sometimes, it's terrible. Sometimes it's terrible. When you say, yeah, I can't say be a girl's nibina. Yes, I sometimes lecture being so timid in any so. That is where it becomes harassment, no. Or timid in any so soon say, a dear way, girl, way, what shot. In fact, Unim, my younger sister is part of those who wrote law school exams here. She KNUST, and she was a first class student in KNU, or graduated with a first class. And Obayeno, she was frustrated. She was like, Abi, can you imagine? Cause or say question na omubisa. The question was sources of the law, like Ghana sources of the law. So she was asking me, do you think that a first class student like me means me answers her question, Nana? So at that point, the student becomes frustrated. And so nim say, minko ye say, ne betimi mama pass ya. Obekwa akoye na watimi pass. You understand? Because onim say otro e dan ma enya ade obe pass. And you know, I think that yene lectures ne kasana ni yene students ne kasana ni yene lectures ne professors no so kasa. Senia matisi yese me makai wo Ghana web say minister say gender minister say mompe wo mo mama harase wo mo.
But is that correct?
You know, and yes, open say ni dia
but lecture say so that they were wow class no questionable kakra but outside
outside the class me I won't recommend say akwala o kire na ade no kokope no ɛne sɛ wopɛ na ɛne nya abotre owie wo class a oni wo class biom a na ebia wakɔ akɔka kyɛ ne sɛ wura mepɛw menya wa mɛware ha oni ni exactly but sɛ ɔte wo classroom no kɔkɔka sɛ wopɛ na ɛne wan kasa kra sɛ ne lecture kan yi doctor kan yi wo answer question wa class na wa answer ni yie na o ka kyerɛ ne sɛ wa enye sa udu fie nwumre na obehu sɛ ɛyɛ sa enti no well me I will just encourage whichever committee ne say omunyo omadwuma yie se ne be ya fairness na anti Ghana enim so that the world outside no will know say at least Ghana ye kase ye bibia ye ni yie and then not bring in sense member mbe higher adwin.
Okay. Yeah, no my wake purified drinking water be boy kwanso cause if say na ye no my wake no na osa a percentage eco support the National Cardiothoracic Center Kolibwasa na make one ye bia one ya koma ho adwuma. Awake purified drinking water okọ ba bibia to nsuo bia ana odi nsuo di dwuma bia banya bi ato ewon Fre Casa Preco Company Limited no ISO certified company on 0262 351251 0262 351251 nakope awake purified drinking water echa kwai na pebito MTN so say one pulse and chill no so eguso a ebo akwanso nkoso ene de on say dial *567# na afi wa build your points is no na kwanya da ho ma so betimi nya chede wa so biti say Bose headsets and afi 4G devices, mobile money, KFC vouchers, shopping vouchers, and afi wasenya extra incredible rewards busumi biano ye free sa break up him say November ebeba na we ye anasa shishe we ekoso kan say terms and conditions no apply to sa Pulse and Chiller MTN there, but MTN say we day for you everywhere you go. And some dedication going through here. Happy birthday, Mrs. Sophia Vanessa, if your husband or Vanessa or whatever, anodeba. Lecturer, Dr. Benjamin Ochre.
Yeah, I know. I said Benjamin.
Now, what year who can be just saying?
Many are by Akanina. And at a point, now me friend him say, as I already imagine. Say, to begin with, no, or no te UK. Say what is a Ghana? Yes, says for grade into no Baba investigating. 2017, well over 100 schools in UK reported by Guardian say NASA because of inti other na BBC anye wo UK number or Ghana so number or West Africa 2 universities. Sometimes say if you are seeing na who say oh abibi mam dia niama anya papa nko says for grade na wo ankasa kofa obi ede na kogina ho se onhwe no oba no ho yefe na nipa no ba ya so opese oye ne mentor at that point wo ankasa opese oye ne student and now oye ne student da nti se mutumi nya evidences so ampa oni obi ada ana omuni obi ada na o masesa ne grade ene na wo betumi agina so se ebia ne awo nya ne ntie no esi supi ana se enye no kore but I say, Oma Bomutrim Pose, Chinchina as I see a dear some show, ye pump to my Akaba Edia show. Say no bear per se no yepe, ye de show. Edi kind din common off air, na make us say, Susuampa say, be all class. Now we did Jin Hua. And Kawa train Uwe school now, no worry, because a CS, a teacher for our room students, a money member, you know. A teacher for money, so our room former students, member. Teacher for it. Yes. Legon professors me I don't have their permission. Me to me more but you call off here, meet me catch. You can go and find out. Professor Oba no supervisor Bema. We school no worry. And say Omo worry, what the man can say. We school no worry. Now Oba ni say Bema ni be play. France president. Mami o worry ni teacher. Say ni teacher.
Ebasi adwa monka na maka enko idea sa.
Enti ebedu baabi no oba bi o ho a nyame adumti ebia no ho yefe no no aye na dwen say onfa buku nsua na mu kwan a ofa so a they will get to hear say mema yo enye mema wo mre yo simma se oba si na dwene pise
odo be hwefo
ma wan kanti ma asemato so ebi to me say bo ntrimpo say course we die enkanka ne nia yesu mathematics ne sa arithmetic do say ade di o man hwe ni ya ekwan a mefa so a na nipa na bo ntrimpo so obefa sa akwan so na wan hwe ya ebetumi ede wa akon so hwe enti se obi ekira de no hu oba ana bema na ni gi no ho na se ope se one ne bobra ubetwen nipa ni wie school na hu na that time you are two consented adults service nipa no new class and no one another school na oshi ana utumi se ne pe ensi mra bia ho kwan na mum depending on the institution no be o abeka se o se wo owo uba bia wo ye adwuma nko ade eno ye mpene so na ngoba ne sa na students ye bia mature students oba at 8:32 no wanyi no so be ware na mum owo class no that is where the problem is what do you say resource back school for na nkase ni won ho come to me ko share resource na say Abigail pa ye ni sua de bibia no wa ye kan otumi ya no bi
but
then no nya omo ankasa omo be won say ene ya ebetumi nso abase na sa subject no kwampo ye no sua ni ye because no suro na otumi pass
e ba additional to cry the man hu say sa na tie ya danfo ba ko osai bonsu uhu so sua de da ebeba no mom no ye yesu ye di nsuo ye na sisi nsuo mi na o ye to ko na ne bie buku ye to ko na ne
bie mu no say o ma ni bie buku ha na me kan obekan bie no na aba exams obetumi atro enti yemfa we en share ho say me no na me ma grade enkanka ni baby obeka sema one penny ya any memo F and am fail I no dear I don't think any reasonable person can defend this.
Yeah, ko enim bi e be say Abigail Sama apamai odwuma no a mopa mo ntefre ne tontom ne once na ne owo ne sa na mafi ne offices number ne say
0244 210896
mo spray fie offices warehouse mo ne sa ne mo no
bia nipa wo bia
okay
mo nipa no
how the cry no ho na akofai
say
and also another major branch
say na o he baby ho tie nya ho
me ton na ma me wo mayanka no wo so spray and say mayanka kro so be spray wo ma me
say me be spray ho nyina once na ne interfere ni ade nyina
okay
ya spray wis nyina
oh sure
ufie ni me efu na nsuo toyi efu na wodo wo ha ho
number ne say
ye won fue ye won nura ye de gusu a bosumi nsia na wo no
okay number ne say
0244 210896 ofre na ka say what me kan wo adum fm me ma discount
well testing me so ka say Abigail ho fe no chia okunu na fe to ntwa si de bia say o chia na to ntwa
obi ehunu
o hwe social media asimo be ka say
wo hunu ba
pa cho chia okunu na to ntwa
me pa cho mi chia NDC phone na me show mun cry say omunye adwumaden na Nyankopon ebe hira ye adwumaden so ama His Excellency John Dramani Mahama asan beje akunwa no e de Ghana akoyi
Akwambia Mensa Deputy National Women Organizer NDC ye hwe nim say kan miamfo na eya no kwansa ba be kan so sai mrahye bi ni maguna central ba wantimi amba wantimi kan sa ya do bibia se Nelly Ajuaje Siwa anafi Hassan anafi DJ Awana Listo of Fojo anafi Tigo Nyame aduma the celebration is on Philip Osebonsu anafi Bishop Yewusu Ansa ana Kete on birthday ne koso you can join us.